Unacademy Pujari, and I'm back again with another video of this web development series where we're gonna see what are semantic elements. Now, my friends, I know that how hard it is to be a self-taught web developer. That when you are a beginner and you see somebody else's code, you feel like, oh, wait, what is this? Looks like a jargon. Everything looks like a foreign language. You don't understand what piece of code does what job. So it is very difficult to understand that code. But at the same time, when you see at someone's code, like it looks very easy and you feel like, oh, I'm so smart, I can understand this. But the thing is that that person has used semantic elements, and also that person has written a clean code. Now, how to write clean code, I'm gonna explain it to you in the next session. But today we're gonna see what are semantic elements. So without any delay, let's get started with the video. So guys, I'm an educator in Newton School. So let's see what Newton School is all about. So, my friends, Newton School is a platform which prepares you for career in tech. They have variety of courses which help professional working people and also for the people from non-tech background. Isn't that amazing, guys? They train you for 6 months to be a full stack web developer. Also, they ensures that you get placed in the best companies in the country. This wasn't the best part, guys. They have pay after placement facilities which ensures that you don't need to pay anything until and unless you get placed in the best companies with minimum 5 lakh CTC. Isn't that crazy, guys? So one more thing. Here you can see Launchpad. Launchpad is an initiative by Newton School for the students who want to learn coding from scratch, and here you can do as much as quiz you want and assignments you want to practice for the free of cost. Isn't that cool? And I want you all to go and check out their pages and try your hands on with this practice questions. So my friends, we are done with the introduction part. Now let's see what exactly these semantic elements are. These are the elements which can be clearly understood. Now what do I mean by that? I'm gonna show you within a second. Now this is a piece of code. So my friends, you will take some time to figure out what are this. What is the navigation, what is the hero section, and what is the article. Okay, just look at this code. But at the same time, if I show you another code, I'm 100% sure you can understand within a second that what are these elements. Why this happened? Because here I have written, instead of div, I have written navigation, section, header. All of these things are being used. So that is why you can understand within a second that what section is this. Right? So this is how semantic elements work. All of these things, nav, article, section, all of these things are called as semantic tags. Now how to differentiate between non-semantic elements and semantic elements? Here you will see on the screen all this div, span, which you cannot clearly understand it what this particular section is about. With the div you cannot understand. You have to use div only at the places where you cannot use semantic elements. Right? There are some places, right, where you don't need much of the specification. There you can use div. While making bigger projects, you have to use semantic elements so that after some time, even after a month or two, when you come back to the code and you look into the code, you can understand that what this particular piece of section or a code is, right? So there are a number of examples of the semantic elements, and here are those. I know that these are quite self-explanatory still for the beginners, those who are little bit confused with this new name like semantics. What are these? I'm gonna explain for them. For nav, the nav tag is especially for the nav links. The menus come inside this, your home, about us, services, all those section comes inside your nav. And the header part means the header part of your website. It includes all those your menus as well as your logos. So that is the header part. And the section means this defines a particular section of your website. So at that time you have to use section tag. So article means it is an independent content. It is not related to anything. It is an independent content. It is not related to something. It is just independent, and at times when you want to use such kind of content in your element, you can use article. And last, footer, where you have all the last part of your privacy policy and all those things you have in your website. For that footer section you can use this footer tag, and there are many more which you can see over here, which are really beneficial when you add it to your website. Hope this video makes sense and you can clearly understand what are semantic elements, and hope you have liked this video, and please share it with your friends and also practice all of this. And if you have any doubt, please let me know in the comments. I would be really happy to help you out, my friends. And yes, bye bye, have a great day.